Okay, good morning, class. Okay. So it's been a while that we already skipped our arts because of assembly, because of awardings. So that's why. If you are still outside, I will mark you as an absent, okay? Okay, don't worry. Ananda is here. Tang Tang. Ananda. Okay. Minhaj. Okay. Uzman. Pan. Mubina.
I'm not late.
Sit down.
I'm not late.
No, I'm not late. I'm just checking my book. And it's Zion. Zion. Oh, no, this is not Zion.
Yeah, it's Sion. What did you do, Sion? Why I do this? Why do you think? Tell me why. You. Yes. So, even if Mr. Chris or Mrs. Kim or anyone else is in front of you, you need to respect. Okay? So, I give you a chance, okay? I don't want to meet... Yeah. Oh, what happened, Ivan? Okay.
Please open the door.
Yeah.
Here is a big guy.
Okay, Nawal, Joey, Daniela, Ismat,
Present.
Kaupan,
Present.
Sayon, Mina Hill, Annie. Oh, what happened to Annie? Do you know what happened to Annie?
No. I think he's sick.
Absent. Nikki, Ivan, Time. Okay, TK, Zuzu, Mahira. Okay, only one is absent.
Perfect attendance.
No, it's not perfect.
Can you teach you, okay, Zion? Huh? Why?
It's okay, guys. So now we are in our Unit 3. Okay, Unit 3. So in Unit 3, we are going to talk about patterns of colors. Okay? Yes. Patterns of colors. Yeah, there are 6 weeks. So, Mrs. Kim, what is today? October
October 13th.
15. No. 13 to 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, sorry. Yeah, but this lesson plan will be intended for this week. Okay?
Alright. It's Mr. 6B time.
Miss
Kim makes me 6B.
Mr. Chris, talk to Minahil. Daddy's Minahil.
Mingo Daddy.
Minahil, Daddy.
Daddy. Wait, Miss Kim.
Yeah.
Let me see this.
No, sit down. We will see the seed in your... Oh, no one changed the schedule. So today, you did?
Yeah.
Sorry guys. So, I don't know if Mr. Chris will allow you to check it in library time or in English because we don't have science. Okay. So, this is what we need to do. Okay? Yep, Ismat.
Kim family time. Today on this channel. Uncomfortable. Another gets I forgot how to what? Just learn.
Who is the paper passer? Sayo. Tang Tang and Suzu. Am I correct? Okay. Wait. Tang Tang, you are the one who will pass the glue and the scissor. Okay, make sure to how to hold the scissor, guys. Okay. Zion will pass. Who is talking? Stop talking. Zion, you pass the black one. Thank you. Yellow. You pass yellow and red. Okay. Oh no. Yep.
This is impossible. The other one is easy.
Okay. Later. Because I'm still in class. And there's more, Zion. Sorry. One by one. Black and blue. And no. Ananda, can I? Did I give pink color? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mahira, can you pass this? Only one. Only one paper each. Only one, okay? Thank you. Okay. Be careful. Done, everyone? Got? Okay. What happened? Can you do it? I will give it to others. TK, one by one only.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Chips.
You sit down. Okay. So some of you already got black and the sum of the colors, right? Okay.
Where is my name, by the way?
Okay. Look at the board first. Okay? Okay, just wait. Zion is still passing. Another one. Only one, Osman. Only one black, please. You only got one colors, okay? Yeah, just wait. Zion, don't be fast, okay? Okay, if you... Oh, Annie, I thought you're late. What happened, Annie? Okay, I will mark you late, Annie, okay? I thought you're absent, so... What? It's okay. There's something like, we don't know. Sometimes we wake up early, sometimes we're not. So don't ask why as long as Annie's here. Okay, done? Everything got? Everything got? Okay, thank you. So, if some of you got already some of the papers, can you start some? I said some. Why you said no? Some of you, yes, some of you got. Can you cut, at least, cut about 4 blocks shape from the color paper? Okay, like this. Thank you. Now cut. You can use different 4 types of color. Yeah, you can cut at least 4 blocks of shape. Now you can cut now. 1, 2. Some of you got it. 3. Look at the board. You can choose 4 colors. Okay? Blocks. Square. A block or a square. Do you know how to cut square? Any square. Yeah. Just wait. Tang. Annie needs scissor. Thank you. Thank you, Tang. Oh, just wait for Tang.
Different Annie and pink.
A pink. Okay. Okay, wait. Yeah. Not too big. Make sure that you cut a 4 paper that should be fit in your block. You need black first. Black under. Yeah, I think so. Okay, go. Put it there. Paste it. Yes, that's why you have a glue. You should have 4 paper like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Any angle. You can make triangle. Oh, it says block shape. So it should be like blocks. Okay? It should be square shape. 4 sides. Yeah, that one is so small. Make sure like this. Huh? You can use any color. Okay? As long as different 4 colors. Oh, it's okay. You put it.
Okay, wait.
As long as it's like this.
I want like this.
I think so, yes.
I want a red thing here. What?
Tell me if you're done.
Give you a blue.
You use another color. It should be 4 colors. 4 colors. You can use different color. Thank you, Sayan. You can fit down. Huh? You don't have here.
Thank you.
Welcome. Two. Tang, it's okay if you are not using the same color because we don't have like that. As long it's different color, okay? It's so small. Okay, that one is correct. It's small. Look at Minhaj. Yeah. As long as different color. You can start now, Sayan. Do you have scissors, Sayan? Yes? Okay. Don't cut the black, okay? The black should be on this one. At the back. Yep. Any color. It's so small. Because that one should be like this. Yeah, that one is good, Tang. Time, you can paste it now, time. Oh, good. TK, good. It's so small. Pan.
Is it better?
I think, yeah. Go. We only have how many minutes left? 5 minutes? No, someone says 5 minutes. I just like question mark. 5 minutes? Okay.
8:34, we have
Yeah, we still have an hour. Now you paste it. Like, yeah, you can cut yellow. Of course. Any color, guy. Yeah, correct. Science correct. Time, you can use a paste. You know, paste, a glue. You can use a glue. Okay. Good job, Mubina. Good job. Yeah, like that. Overlap. You know what is overlapping? You can cover the next color. Over. Good job. Good job, TK. Good job. Yeah, Tang. Time. Do you have glue? Time?
I cannot open my gift.
Can you get blue for time, please? Thank you. Okay. After you done with the first one, look at this. Not done. Okay, sorry. It's so hard. Okay. Good job. Time. You have a time. You have already a glue. Time. There. Good. Yep. Oh, you don't have. Good job.
Easy for us to do.
Easy? Easy, right?
Yeah.
No? Someone of you say no? Time. Go now.
Who said no?
Use a paste or a glue on the paper. Time.
Who said easy? Raise your hand.
You need to
Who said
a
hard?
glue.
Raise your hand. I said
later. Okay.
medium. Who said medium? Raise your hand.
Uh.
What are you doing, guys? What's that book? Yeah. So what did you do?
Only 4, okay? We need only 4. No more. Only 4, okay? We need to use only 4 of this. Yes, good job. Only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4. And then glue it.
Bro!
You need to glue it.
Wait, like this?
Good. What is that? It's like a Roblox?
No, no. Hey, I was thinking like a robot. It's need to be square and go sideways.
Okay.
I want brown on here. So, I know that. This can become gold.
Everything is okay, guys. As long as you just like have a 4 square or a block shape. Okay, good job, time. You're done. Good job, Ananda.
You have 4. You have to use different colors. Not the same color. I have this. And I only use the same color.
Yeah, majority of you, don't worry. We'll wait for others. Who are not done? Kaupa, not yet. Okay, science, not yet. Yeah.
I finish over there.
Okay. Wait for others before we move. Time is not yet done. Minahil done? Oh, okay, good. Yeah. It's raining taco.
Yeah.
Wherever you go, taco. What? I know you love the song, but we need to have our art class. It's been a while. It's already like maybe already twice. 2 weeks already we didn't do our arts.
Yeah, 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Because this is half like.
Oh, good. Good, Joey. How about your ismat, Dan? Okay, good job.
I finished already. I wait for.
Okay, good for time, Dan. Sayon almost done. Kaupan almost also. I think so.
Are you sure? I just like this.
Good job.
I would add more.
No more. We will follow this one. This is Matisse Art Project. Okay, it's about the shape and pattern and color.
I get a cheese thing. Bro, this is good.
Uh-huh. Yeah, same. We do that one. We did that in our values. Value class. Okay, next one. Okay, yes. No more no. Okay, next. Okay, next. Cut about 5 medium and large organic shape and glue them on the top like this one. Zigzag. twirl, star, any shape, okay? As long it's medium, okay?
How about Roblox?
Roblox, no. Just only like this.
But Daniel was waiting for me. Can you say a hug? Well, let's do it.
Huh? Just try.
Guys, look at this.
Try.
What? I won't.
Remember you song try everything. Try everything.
Try it.
Yeah, try everything. Try everything. You remember the song? It's try everything. Oh, 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 oh. Try everything. Oh, 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 oh.
Try everything.
Yeah, Ivan knows that try everything. He likes it. Yep. Can you remove it or do you want to change? That one, tang tang good. Tang tang good. You need to move on time. Time. It's already done. The square is already done. Time. Time. You need to do like this. No more square. No more. Yes, good. Good. Can you make it like thinner, Mahir? No, Zuzu. Not too big. Not too thin. It should be like this. Zigzag or straight line. Yeah. Oh, that's good. Can you cut a little bit more? A little bit. Not too big. Not too big. Not too big. Cut a little more. Okay, good. That one is math. Fire. It's a fire. Or you can make clouds. It's up to you.
That's a cloud. That's not a cloud.
What is that? A king. You're a king. That one is a thunder. Look at Minhaj's thunder. Okay, raise it. Okay, thunder. Thunderbolt. Yeah. I will just sit here, Mr. Chris. You can sit on. Yep. Okay. No drawing. You must have your idea how to cut it, not only for drawing. Yeah, you can. You can. Okay. Yeah, thunder like this.
Let me do it too. When there's rain, this is so messy. Look at our table. Messy. Oh, not
Messy.
I'm not messy. Everyone, we're not a mess. We did a mess.
It's not a mess, it's an art.
It's art, yeah. It's art.
Yeah, art is like more. Is what? You need to have 5. You need to follow the instruction. 5. Not only 1, not only 2. We need 5. Okay? 5 different shape of organic or large organic thing like this. Stars.
Organic. Can I do a boat instead?
A boat.
Like a Titanic?
If you can do it. Okay, good. Good thunder. Yeah.
You haven't told me
Why?
That's why you don't get it. Yeah, you need to do is take yourself out of the boat.
Good job. I need to see 5, okay? Mrs. Kim will check how many square do you have, how many organic shape do you have. It should be, even if it's not the same thing, but at least you follow how many. Okay?
I want to do a boat. And
Okay, go.
then
It's okay.
boat. From the Titanic. But I get it right. I'm gonna do chicken cheese.
Chicken, cheese, and dairy cream.
I'm putting French fries.
Oh, tomorrow is business day, guys, okay? Yep,
My mom said I can do it today.
can do it today.
Today.
Ah, the popcorn and then sell it tomorrow. Yeah, you can.
Because if I do it will be like, how am I doing this? Yeah.
You need to do it, I think evening or it's depend of you. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Thunder. Thunder, that is thunder. Red thunder. Okay. Okay, TK. Oh.
This is gonna be a bathroom.
Okay, and the final one is... Okay, it's okay. Okay? You need to have 5 and then some of you already done. So you can finally cut about 8 small organic shape like this, square, triangle, small one. Okay?
I'm gonna make my look at my boat.
Okay.
Like a boat struck into the lightning.
Oh, 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 oh. Try everything. Oh. Okay.
Easy for this
That one is easy, right? Because you have a small craft there.
I have small.
Yeah, small, and then you just paste or glue it. Okay. I don't know if I have a tissue. Wait, wait, wait. Draw ito. Not too loud. Yeah, can I see? Oh, what is that? Letter? A snake? Pond. Oh. It's a star. No.
1, 2, 3, 2 more. I can make 2 more. I'm gonna make a rocket that goes.
Time? When are you going to the hospital? On Friday, right? You're not here? Time? You will be here. You will be here tomorrow and Friday, right? Only Saturday. You will be here tomorrow and Friday.
Look at her.
Am I correct? You will not be here tomorrow. You are not selling tomorrow. You will be here tomorrow and Friday also, right? Okay. Yep.
I think
Okay.
Friday I might do a spelling test.
When? Friday?
Yeah, because they might forget it after.
Yeah, because it's too long. Okay.
Guys, you get me ready for that?
Guys, you listen. On Friday, you're going to have that spelling words. Unit 3, week 1, spelling. This coming Friday. So you need to study.
Today
Mr.
I'll give you the vocab words for spelling.
You're going to give also the vocab. Okay, Mr. Crest.
Spelling and vocab.
Tell me if you're done. It's about also the final, the 8 cuts. No, not yet. Can I see? You're not done. Because I need 5 medium size of organic and 8 small organic shape. You should follow that one, yes. Huh? Huh? It's okay. You can use any color there. It should be 5. Did you see the sequence? 4, 5, and 8. Okay. Can I see 1, 2, 3, 4?
That's crack. I think I do.
You need more time. And you count.
I need one more.
You use your scissor time. Don't use your hand time. Time.
How I did this?
Okay. A bell. What is that? A flashlight? A bomb?
Miss Kim,
Yep.
and you have a blackboard director. Our table is so messy. I know.
Yeah. And don't worry, guys. After that, you're done. You will clean your messy table.
Yes, go.
Yeah. Messi.
Messi or Ronaldo?
Messi or Ronaldo?
Ronaldo.
Make your desk Ronaldo.
Yeah.
Please. For now, if you idolize Messi, not for my art class, you need to idolize Ronaldo in my art class. Yep.
Oh, what now? Ronaldo is Messi first.
Oh.
Messi first.
Okay.
Ronaldo.
Done? Good job.
I don't have 8 colors, so I use the same.
Okay. Okay, give me your paper. Oh no, cannot. I need a small cut. 8. You need to have 8 of this. 5 first, the big, large size, and then 8 small things. 8 small shapes. Yeah, it's big. It's part of big. You need 8.
This is part of big, and then now I have to make 8 of those.
Small, yeah. Okay. Tidy up your desk. Clean up your
Can I use
desk.
my paper?
Again?
Can I use my paper?
4.
No, make messy.
Something. Yeah, but you need to tidy up your desk. Make sure that nothing is under your table. The scissor that you use, the glue, please put it back. Thank you. Ivan. And I see. Yep.
You don't remember the 2026 prime? It showed the FIFA Cup, the World Cup 2026.
No.
The World Cup 2026.
Thank you, Mubina. That's nice.
World Cup 2026, Ronaldo gonna get it. Guys, is real Messi gonna get it? No. Let's see.
You only have 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes.
He's old. He's the most famous. He won so many. No, he's better. Ronaldo is better. None of them.
Huh? You can use that one. It's okay. Oh. Maybe you can use your white paper. You can get a little bit. Huh? Okay.
I cannot do it.
Kaupan. Thank you, Kaupan. Next. Minhaj.
I
Okay.
cannot see.
I can still see it.
Me too. But I need
Okay. Tidy up your desk, Annie. Also, Minhaj.
Guys, the rib broke. What? You know yourself, but if you have oh yeah.
Tidy up, okay? If you're done, you can throw some of the left paper in the bin. Thank you, Sayan. Okay. If you want to reuse it, you can. But if you want to throw,
I need to recycle it.
if you want, yep, you
I
can.
want to recycle.
Okay. Just keep it inside your bag, not under your desk.
Or you can draw now.
Yeah.
Or recycle.
But after this is snack. So I think no snack.
The snack is library.
Yep. And then who bring their library books?
I bring you. Mom. You.
I hope you did.
I think it's in your bag. We will check it first before you say no.
I will go
I'll
check
let you know
already.
what did you bring yours?
I checked already. There is no.
Did you bring your book, Noel?
Okay, 4 more minutes.
Give me a 1 year and half. 4 more minutes?
4.
4.
4.
I have one.
Okay, that's good.
Why are you robbing me?
And-
I have to just.
Okay, tidy up your desk, please.
Why are you robbing this one? I like Fortnite.
How do you find the arts today? Complicated? Hard? Easy?
Way too easy.
It's easy, right? Way too easy. You hold the scissor like this, Kaupan.
I feel my PS5. I feel my PS5.
Guys, so almost done. 3 more minutes. Tang Tang, is that your scissor? You put it back.
Ananda?
Is that your Tang Tang, no?
Ananda, what's your name on this?
Okay, come here, Nawal.
I read it with my pencil.
No worry. Are you done time?
3 minutes! 3 minutes! I found another way to be faster. Put it in one.
See, that black paper is actual real paper.
Yep.
That's the stuff we should be getting when we ask for construction.
Oh, no, this one. I have a construction paper there. I don't know if... Yes, I think. Here, Mr. First.
Teacher didn't go to work, man.
Put
Okay.
it in the back bin, please.
Miss Kim, I want this.
Can you do that for me, time? Thank you. My bin's not designed for that.
I think I make a rocket too.
Oh, this was nice. TK.
So now you're at. It's this one.
If you're done, tidy up your desk, mean hug.
I got work special.
Where? Job application? Where la?
Mr. Vince,
Job application.
are we gonna be recycling any of their fake papers, Miss Kim?
I think no. Some of it is already. No, Mr. Press. No need.
She's got some big pieces.
I will need Mr.
Elizabeth's got a big piece.
Oh, if we still have big, we can use.
Nikki, if you cut that up and make it nice, we can reuse it again. See.
Okay.
Yeah, Bean Bean, you have some that we can reuse too.
Bin bin.
Mr. B.
Okay, give me that
Check
one.
Miss Kim, show her what you have. If you think you can get it right.
This is 100%.
That one is 100%. Yeah, give it.
Guys, that is metal.
1 more minute.
Oh, it's already time. 9. It's already.
Okay, I need you to tidy up your desk first.
I'm done.
Some of you are not. If you're done, tidy up your desk and you push your chair line there, line. If you think.
Oh, yeah.
Miss Kim?
Okay. Okay, you tidy up your desk. No, Minhaj. Put it back and then you can cut it later. You can do it later because it's already time. Okay, I need you to line up if you're done fixing your desk, pushing your desk. I don't want to see any eraser, any scissor or glue on your table. Come.
Look at the front. I add many people to them.
Fine, how's the sushi coming on tomorrow?
Pan's desk, tidy up. Daniela's desk, tidy up. TK. Oh, not there. Tidy up. Pan, TK.
Your glue put away. I see some that did not put their glue.
Okay, line. Push your chair. Time. Thank you, Nina. Okay, Usman, push your chair. Pan's desk. Thank you, class. Thank you.
This is kid.